大家好. Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. Are you correctly using 对 and 对于? Many students confuse them without even recognizing it. In this video, we will explain the main distinctions between 对 and 对于, as well as common errors people make. We will provide easy tips to ensure you don't make the mistakes again. You won't ever be confused by these two again if you stay and watch this video till the end. Let's get started. 鱼, a HSK level 3 word, generally means at, in, on, to, or a sentence final interrogative particle. It's often used in formal or written Chinese and shows up in many sets of words like 至于, as for or when it comes to, 终于, finally, at last, 由于, because of, due to, 属于, to belong to, 关于, about or regarding. Yu has only 3 strokes under the radical 2, The other component is 绝, referred to as the hook. The next character we are looking at is 对. The character 对 is a commonly used character in Chinese and has various meanings and uses depending on the context. Frequently used words are 反对, to oppose, to be against. 面对, to face, to confront. 对方, the other party, the other side. 对付, to deal with, to handle. 对象, target, object of an action or affection, partner. 对 is under the radical 寸. The other component on the left is 右. The total number of strokes is 5. The core meaning of this character, which originally appeared in the Oracle bone script during the Shang dynasty, is to reply or react. It started with the idea of replying to someone and later took on the meaning of opposing or being against something. It also came to mean a pair or spouse and could be used to mean to check or to verify. The character 对 is also used as a measure word for pairs of people or things. Plus, it works as a preposition in sentences. In modern Chinese, 对 can also mean correct as the opposite of wrong. Let us see how to use 对 and 对于. 对 and 对于 are both prepositions that introduce the object of an action or behavior. For sentences using 对于, you can normally replace it with 对, but this is not the case for 对. 对 is a spoken word, but 对于 is a written language. 对 and 对于 are interchangeable when they are used before nouns to form prepositional phrases. 他对古董一窍不通. 古董 are antiques. 一窍不通 means do not understand at all. For this sentence, you can replace 对 to 对于. 他对于古董一窍不通。对上海，他有很多美好的回忆。For this sentence, you can replace 对 to 对于 so it becomes 对于上海，他有很多美好的回忆。 He has many beautiful memories of Shanghai. Now let us see when we are not able to replace 对 to 对于. Number one, you cannot use 对于 after modal verbs and adverbs. 他愿意对这件事负责. He is willing to take responsibility for this matter. 愿意 is willing. It is wrong to just replace 对 to 对于 for this sentence. You cannot say 他愿意对于这件事负责. You can still use 对于 if you change the sentence to 对于这件事，他愿意负责。他们可能对这计划有兴趣。They might be interested in this plan. You cannot replace 对 to 对于 without changing the sentence. It is wrong to say 他们可能对于这计划有兴趣. If you want to use 对于, you have to change the sentence to 他们对于这计划可能有兴趣 or 对于这计划他们可能有兴趣。你应该对所犯的错误表示歉意。You should apologize for the mistakes you made. You cannot change 对 to 对于 as it is for this sentence. You cannot say 你应该对于所犯的错误表示歉意。But you can say 你对于所犯的错误应该表示歉意 or 对于所犯的错误你应该表示歉意。他们都对新来的同学很友善。They are all very friendly to the new classmate. Just like the previous sentences, you cannot change 对 to 对于 as it is. You cannot say 他们都对于新来的同学很友善。But you can say 他们对于新来的同学都很友善 or 对于新来的同学他们都很友善。Number two, 对 carries the meaning of towards or facing, but not 对于。小明对妈妈说：“我爱你。” 小明 said to his mom, "I love you." So 对 is to, but you cannot say 小明对于妈妈说：“我爱你。” This is wrong. 小明在对小丽眨眼睛。小明 is winking at 小丽。So 对 over here means at. 他的家正对着一座山。His house is directly facing a mountain. So 对着 means facing. Number three, 对 carries the meaning of to treat someone or something. 彼得喜欢玛丽，所以对她特别照顾。Peter likes Mary, so he takes special care of her. So you cannot say Peter 喜欢玛丽，所以对于她特别照顾。This is wrong. 他对小明很凶。He is very harsh to 小明。You cannot say 他对于小明很凶。This is incorrect. 你怎么对书这么不感兴趣？ Why are you so uninterested in books? Summary. Number one, use 对 or 对于 before nouns to form prepositional phrases. Number two, you cannot use 对于 after modal verbs and adverbs without changing the sentence. Number 3. 对 carries the meaning of towards or facing, but not 对于. Number 4. 对 carries the meaning of to treat someone or something. 练习 which sentence can only use 对 and which 对 sentence can also use 对于. Please provide your answers in the comment section. Number 1. 你怎么 blank 玛丽这么冷淡。Number 2. 我们 blank 打保龄球一点都没兴趣。Number 3. 他会 blank 你的建议好好考虑的。Number 4. 妈妈时常 blank 爸爸发脾气。今天的视频到此结束，希望大家喜欢，谢谢大家的支持，再见。